And so you can see right here, literally when you're doing Amazon PPC, it's not some overly complicated, crazy thing like most people make it sound. Literally all you need is this one tool. You can see right here, this gives us the exact keywords we're looking for, the search volume, where that keyword is ranking, the most commonly appearing words, and then all you have to do literally to start your Amazon PPC campaigns the right way is What is up, guys, and welcome back to another exciting video where we're going to be talking about Amazon pay-per-click, also called sponsored products, which is one of the key areas that most heavily dictates whether or not a product is actually going to go on to have success on Amazon or not have success. And so today we're going to be talking about the brand new way to do Amazon PPC or Amazon marketing the right way from the very beginning, even if you're a complete beginner with zero experience. And so it doesn't matter if you've never done Amazon PPC before in your life. Promise you that after this short video, I'm gonna take you from a complete beginner to someone who feels very comfortable with the entire Amazon PPC process. So grab some popcorn, make sure you take your phone, throw it out the window so you can pay attention, and let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome to my screen. Really quick before we actually do get into the video, do make sure you guys do me two quick favors. Tap that like button until it turns blue and make sure you subscribe and turn on those bells so that you'll be the first to know every time we drop a brand new video. And if you like this video and you want to see more like it, comment down below Amazon FBA PPC. And if we get 500 comments that say Amazon FBA PPC, then we are going to drop a brand new part 3 of this video that's going to be crazy, drop even more industry secrets that most people charge thousands for completely for free. So today's video, we're going to be talking about how to do marketing the right way on Amazon. And to show you guys exactly what that looks like, I actually searched Steel Lunchbox right here. You can see this is an ad right here. You can see that all 4 of these are ads, and you can see that these are not ads. Now, how do you tell the difference? It's because this little thing right here says sponsor. All 4 of these products say it, these products don't. And so when I'm actually looking to see what Amazon listing is most favored by Amazon as being the most relevant for a keyword, I skip the sponsored listings and go straight to the first organic result, because this tells me that Amazon thinks this particular product is most relevant for the term Steel Lunchbox, and that is why it's organically ranked #1. And so the first thing that you want to do when you're actually starting your Amazon PPC journey is to make sure you understand the process, right? And so essentially what Amazon PPC is the product equivalent of ads that you see in Google, right? So when you go on Google and you search, canoe for men or whatever the case may be, you might see some ads near the top of the search results. That means that those companies or canoe salesmen or whatever you want to call them are willing to pay a certain amount every time someone clicks on one of those ads, because they're obviously interested in canoes if they're searching that search term in the first place. On Amazon, it's no different, right? People who are selling steel lunchboxes are telling Amazon that they're willing to pay $1, $2, whatever the case may be, every time an interested person who's proven themselves being interested by searching that keyword in the first place, every time that person clicks on one of these ads, because people know that that will actually lead to sales, right? And so what we're going to be talking about is specifically how to get the most profitable Amazon PPC sales, because what that does is it actually gives you more free organic rank, which is the best way to actually get cheap or free sales. And so the first thing that I'm going to do is actually come in here, like I said, skip all of these sponsored products, grab the link of this first organically ranking listing, because I know that that's the best listing according to Amazon. I'm going to grab the URL here, and I'm going to come into zonbase.com, ZonBase.com. This is the software tool that I personally use and I recommend all of my students to use. It's the best deal, most accurate, and it comes with the most one-on-one support. And so if you do want to try it out completely for free, check out the link down below in the description to get started with your free trial, because we're going to be using it the entire video anyways. And so what we're going to do is come into where it says sales optimization. Obviously, there's a lot of tools here when it comes to product research and things like that, but we're going to go into reverse ASIN, and I'll just reset it just to show you guys what this looks like. We grabbed the link right here, we copied it, and now we're going to paste it directly in here. What this is going to do is it's going to actually import that listing directly into ZonBase, and we're going to click analyze. Now this does actually take time, obviously, because this is real live data that ZonBase is querying directly from Amazon. But what this is going to tell us is a lot of important things. It's gonna tell us the best keywords with the highest search volume and the highest conversion potential. It's gonna tell us what specific keywords this listing actually ranks for, right, in the actual search results for those terms. And it's gonna tell us the most frequently occurring actual keywords in the listing itself. So here we go, it's actually done. So we can see right here, eco-friendly lunchbox for kids, Bent-Go stainless box, bento box, lunch stainless steel, bento boxes stainless, Planet Bento, lunchbox steel, all these sorts of things, right? We can see the search volume, the average monthly search volume right here. We can see that, this particular product actually is ranking first for all of these keywords. Now, why is that important? Now, it's important because if this product is the best listing according to Amazon, we can assume that it's making the most sales for the keyword stainless steel lunchbox, right? And so we want to run PPC campaigns on all of the keywords that Amazon has told us right here that the best listing is ranking first for, right? And that's very important to understand. And so what we're gonna do is we can actually do keyword research, see all of these different products, which is the best way to actually do it and understand exactly what's going into things. But if you're lazy and you actually want machine learning and artificial intelligence to handle a lot of the heavy lifting for you, then what you're gonna do is actually come over to where it says ZonPPC right here. We're actually gonna go into the ads manager, and I'm gonna show you exactly how much easier ZonBase makes a process that used to be quite difficult. So this is actually a live account that we're looking at right here. So what we can do is we can actually go ahead and sort by return on ad spend. That means that for every dollar that we spent on PPC, we made back, in this particular case, $15.83, right? That's what this 1500% ROAS means. ACoS means average cost of sale. This is basically a metric to see how much it costs you in advertising dollars to make how much revenue. Obviously, a lower ACoS is better and a higher return on ad spend is better, right? And so we see very high ROAS numbers and very low ACoS numbers, which is what we want to see. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna go ahead and click Add New Campaign. And we're going to click Fully Automatic. If you know more about PPC and you're an intermediary or expert, you can go ahead and click Semi, but for the purposes of this video, we're gonna click Fully Automatic. And what we're gonna do is we are gonna call this one YT Test. We're gonna click Launch because for most people, if you're launching your first product, that is what you're gonna pick. If you already have products and you're trying to scale or liquidate, you can of course choose those options as well. What we're gonna do is we're gonna actually go ahead and grab one of these products. We're gonna click Add, and then what's gonna happen is we're gonna click Next. Now you can see that ZonBase automatically suggests a default bid and also a maximum daily budget. We're not gonna change that for the source of this video, but if you are intermediate or expert at Amazon PPC, of course you can choose whatever you want. We're gonna click Next. And now the coolest part about ZonPPC and why it's such a revolutionary tool is the fact that it actually will automatically generate the exact campaigns that have the highest chance of actually being the most profitable. And let me explain how it does that. Now, it automatically generates 5 different campaigns: automated campaigns, which is Amazon suggestions; research campaigns, which is broad match keywords; performance, which is phrase match; low keyword bids, you can see right here, gets you cheap, easy sales at low volume; and then product targeting is how you actually show your product directly on your competitor's listing. It automatically assigns a specific percentage of your total daily budget to each of these campaigns. It automatically assigns your default bid, and it even actually will automatically have automations that help you significantly in the overall process. You can see right here, these 3 are by default turned on. What this does is it promotes profitable keywords, it promotes profitable bids, and it turns off any keywords that are not profitable. And it does this automatically, which is normally something that most people have to do every hour or every day or every week, just to make sure that their campaigns are all profitable and things like that. But a lot of the heavy lifting that used to take weeks or months is actually handled automatically directly from ZonBase via the account creation and also the automations that promote profitable keywords and turn off non-profitable keywords. And so what we would do is click Launch. These would automatically be created in our Seller Central account after we link our Amazon Seller Central account to our ZonBase account. And then what we'll see is inside of our Seller Central account where we have our products, we'll actually see 5 new campaigns at these budgets. And what we'll see is every hour and every day, right, and every week and every month, ZonBase is gonna automatically optimize these campaigns based on predefined rules set by Amazon PPC experts. And so, like I said before, the old process was trying to set these all up manually, trying to do all the research yourself, trying to optimize it every single day based on what keywords are working and which ones aren't. And so something that used to take weeks or months now is so much infinitely easier, obviously, from the addition of ZonBase and actually using it specifically for your Amazon account. And so if you are enjoying this video so far, make sure you do me 2 quick favors. Make sure you tap that like button because it helps me show this video to more awesome people like you. Subscribe, turn on those bells. And like I said before, if we get 500 comments that say Amazon FBA PPC, we will launch a brand new part 3 of this video, which is gonna be crazy. And I promise you guys have never seen any of the secrets that we're gonna be showing in that video. Or if you just wanna hang out on YouTube and watch more awesome videos like this one, we have a brand new playlist coming to you live in 3, 2, 1. Click the playlist in the middle of the screen, guys. See you there.